This continuation trade was absolutely amazing. We broke structure from the previous day. The Algo waited for a pullback to the moving average. Once the Algo got a pullback to the moving average, it then waited for confirmation to the upside. Once the entry criteria was met, the Algo took 2 buy positions, not at the same time, but scaling in for a second position after the first one, and the rest was history from there. But I would say, this setup right here is my favorite setup of all time, and whether you are a manual trader or an algo trader, this setup can take your trading to a whole new level. Once you know what to look for, when to look for it, and how to get in, this continuation strategy can be highly beneficial to you.
Buys active. TP1 hit. Buys active. TP1 hit. Stop loss modified. Stop loss modified. Trade fully closed. Trade successful.